Good morning, students. Today we are in part 11. Before beginning, let us take a look back to our last part. In our last part, we have already learned about articles. There are three articles in English. They are a, and, the. A and an are known as the indefinite articles. We use a or an to refer to something non-specific or to talk of things in general. We have already seen the uses of the indefinite articles a and an. In this part, we are going to learn about the definite article and its uses. The definite article. The is known as the definite article. We use that to point to a particular or specific person or thing. The is called the definite article and we commonly use that to point to a particular or specific person or thing. Let us see the examples. This is the house I was talking about. The people who live here are nice. In the first sentence, the house refers to a specific house, the one I was talking about, and not just any house. Similarly, when we say the people in the second sentence, we mean specific people who live in that house. Uses of the definite article. The important uses of the definite article are given below. Firstly, we can use the definite article to refer to a particular or specific person or thing. In order to refer a particular or specific person or thing, we can use the definite article the. Example, I have lost the pen that you gave me. Put the money in your pocket. In the first sentence, it is telling about a particular pen. In the second sentence, the specific money. Secondly, to refer to a person or a thing that is well known to us. We can use the definite article to refer a person or a thing which is well known to us. Examples, let us go to the park. The doctor will come soon. Here the first sentence is talking about a park we often go to. In the second sentence, the particular doctor who was supposed to come. Third, when we refer to a noun which becomes specific when we mention it for a second time. If we already mentioned a noun and if it is used for a second time, we can use the definite article the. Examples, my sister gave us some chocolates. The chocolates were tasty. Here, the chocolates were mentioned before. I bought a computer yesterday. The computer came with a set of speakers. Here, about the computers already mentioned before. With the family names when they are in the plural. We can use the definite article with the family names when they are in plural. Examples, the Sharmas who live next door visited us yesterday. The Naidus are having a party on Diwali. Here Sharmas and Naidus are the two family names which are in plural. With the means of transport when definite or specific but never in a general sense. We can use the definite article with means of transport when they are definite or specific, but we won't use in a general sense. Examples, take the 9 o'clock bus. Here it is telling about a particular bus in 9 o'clock. We won't use it when we are saying, I go to office by bus. The plane took off on time. It is telling about a particular plane. We won't use it when we say we went by plane. With the names of countries in the plural, with the groups of islands, with the mountain ranges and with regions. We can use the definite article the with the names of the countries when they are in plural, and also with groups of islands, with mountain ranges, and with regions. Examples: the United Arab Emirates, the Bahamas, the British Isles, the Eastern Ghats, the Terai region, the Middle East. We can also use it with the names of oceans, seas, and rivers: the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Krishna, and the Kaveri. We can use the definite article with months and days of the week which are definite. The Saturday we met at my house was a day of great enjoyment. I will never forget the July when we went to Kerala for a holiday. But when we say, in July, my daughter joins college, we won't use the article before the month. What are you doing on Sunday? It is used in a general sense. So we do not want to use the article here. Here, the day and month are indefinite. Which July or which Sunday is not specified. We can use the definite article with the names of institutions or public buildings only when the purpose in the context of the sentence is different from what the buildings and institutions are actually meant for. I have to go to the school for a parent-teacher meet, but Tina goes to school at 7:30 a.m. I'm going to the hospital to visit Kiran, but Kiran is in hospital with a fractured leg. Here, school and hospital are the particular one. Zero article. In some places, no article is used. The following are the important cases when articles are not used. Firstly, before plural countable nouns used in a general sense, uncountable nouns and material nouns. Before plural countable nouns which are used in a general sense, or uncountable nouns or material nouns, we won't use an article before it. Secondly, before abstract nouns when used in a general sense. If we are using the abstract nouns in a general sense, we won't use an article before it. Thirdly, before the names of relations like father, mother, aunt, etc., we won't use the articles. Before proper nouns such as names of countries, towns, streets, languages, and mountain peaks, we do not use an article before it. In some fixed expressions where a preposition is followed by its object, we do not use the article. In the case of some fixed expressions where the preposition is followed by its object, we do not use the article. We are moving to our second exercise. Before beginning, take your pencil and be ready. Exercise 2. Complete the following sentences with suitable articles. Put a cross where no article is required. You can use all the three articles a, an, and the in the following sentences. If there is no need for an article, put a cross in the blanks. Now take your pencil and start your work. Here are the answers. First, we need to buy dash wood for the door. In this blank, we have to use cross because wood is an uncountable noun and it is used in a general sense. Second, my sister is an IAS officer. IAS is an abbreviation and starts with a vowel sound. Third, don't play with the lighter or something will catch dash fire. Before lighter, we used the because it is telling about the particular lighter. In the second, before fire, we used cross. Fire is an uncountable noun and it is used in a general sense. For when they are at dash home, they often play dash carom. Here in both the blank, we have to use cross. because there is no need for the article. 5. It was late at dash night and everyone was in the bed when the thief entered the house. Here first blank, there is no need for an article before night. In the remaining 3 blanks, we used the because the bed, the thief and the house are the specific one. 6. We took rather long. We reached after dash 4 and a half hours. Before 4, we used cross because there is no need for an article. In indefinite article, we learned when the half follows a whole, we have to use a before half. So we used a before half. 7. This is the third Saturday in a row that we could not meet. It is mentioning about a particular Saturday, so we use the definite article the. 8. We came here by dash car. Here no need for an article. Put a cross on the blank. 9. I'm really afraid of dash heights. Here also no need for an article. Put a cross. 10. She speaks dash Japanese. Japanese is a language, so before that we no need to use an article. 11. The students were at the college early for the exam. It is talking about a particular college, so we used the before it. 12. The country produces dash large quantities of dash rice and wheat. Here we are talking about quantity and about uncountable nouns in a general sense. So we used cross before it. 13. The Patels invited us for the dinner. Here Patels is a plural family name. So before we use the definite article the. And also dinner is a specific one. So we used the before it. Now underline all the important points in your textbook and copy this exercise neatly to your notebook. If it is possible, try to include the examples also to your notebook.